The Odyssey board consists of several basic components. There are 6 hexagonal blocks housing the electrical elements, a potentiometer used for adjusting analog input, a switch used for opening and closing circuits, a very bright 5-volt LED, a servo block for controlled motion, a junction block for combining circuits, and a CD motor. Along with these hexagonal blocks, there is a socket block with slots for 2, 3, and 4-pin components. There is a small bag of LEDs, or light-emitting diodes, temperature sensor, photosensor, piezo buzzer, and an assortment of resistors. There should also be a few resistor jumper wires that have built-in resistors to simplify basic circuits. You should also find an assortment of female-to-female, male-to-male, and female-to-male jumper wires. The Odyssey board base is covered with 1/4-inch holes to affix your blocks and sockets. A handful of 1/4-inch dowel rods have also been included to attach blocks to blocks or blocks to the base. Finally, at the heart of the kit is the Uno microcontroller. Many versions of the Arduino Uno have been developed, but they are all basically the same and most use the same software. The original Uno pins include female sockets for connecting 3.3 and 5 volts, ground, analog inputs, and digital outputs. To avoid the messy and confusing traditional methods for teaching basic microcontroller concepts, we have decided to use the innovatively designed KeyStudio Uno. As you can see, the same pins are found on the KeyStudio version as there are on the original Uno. But the helpful number of pins available to connect to 5 volts, ground, and all of your analog and digital pins greatly simplifies the circuitry. Between this and the innovatively designed junction and socket blocks, we have eliminated the need for using a breadboard, which will reduce the confusing and tangled circuit designs. We are confident that this new design will open learning to a larger and more diverse group of students.